What is up, Wanderers? We're ready for another bag review here on Wander EDC. This is a special one from a camera-focused brand, Lowepro. I think you're gonna like it. We'll get started right after this. All right, Wanderers, we have for review today the Lowepro Urbex 20-liter bag. Now this bag comes in a 20-liter and a 25-liter. It comes in three different colors, the gray, the olive, and the black. I picked the olive. I think it's a really nice looking bag, and we're gonna dive right in. On this channel, remember, we do one-take bag reviews, and in our reviews, we're gonna do a full walkthrough of the bag. I'm gonna show you all the pockets, all the nooks and crannies, and then at the end, I'm gonna give you two things that I really like about this bag, two things that not so much, and then overall, should you buy this bag? All right, let's jump right in. All right, so Lowepro, if you're not a photographer, is a brand that you might not be familiar with. Lowepro makes a lot of camera accessories and camera and DSLR focused bags. And this one is a little bit different for them because it's not specifically a camera focused bag. It is it's Urbex, Urban Explorer. It's kind of a commuter based urban carry situation. And I really have enjoyed getting to know this bag. I've had it for quite a while, and I'm excited to share it with you all for a couple of reasons. And we'll get into that at the end of the video. All right, so what do we have going on here? Well, first off, we have a little bit of attachment points on the outside of the bag. Not quite full mole attachment points, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 5, miscounted, 5 attachment points up here and down here as well, and then some lower ones beneath that. You also have a nice water bottle holder that is expandable, but not so expandable that you're going to be able to get one of these bad boys in here easily. Like, not happening. So this is more for your traditional water bottles. Drop it right in. It holds it nice and tight. And then when not in use, it does fold very flat against the side of the bag. All right. So you can see I've leveraged the attachment points for some small goodies. Up top, you have a quick access felt lined pocket to put small electronics and or sunglasses in. I'm using it for little knickknacks, including the AirPods. Then you have the main component, the main compartment of this backpack. So let's take a peek. It zips down about a little bit over halfway, but half zip for the clamshell. And then you have on the back end a tablet sleeve with this high contrast orange, and you have a drop pocket kind of middle compartment. Now this is where this bag gets kind of crazy. So I'm gonna flip it like this to show you what's going on here. It's a little hard to understand, but you've got a key clip up here that falls into this little tech pocket. I've got power bricks and cords in this tech pocket. It's about the size of your average pencil case. All right, I'm gonna pull out the gear that I have stored in this compartment to show you that there is actually a bottom right here. So this is a divided main compartment. So right here, the bag cuts off, right about where the water bottle is, the water bottle holder is. Why? Because of this. You have a secondary compartment underneath the main compartment with a pull-out tech bag, and you can use that space for the tech bag, or, see the buckle? You could attach the tech bag to the front using these attachment points here, and use this bag for the space of the bag for something else, or, told you it was crazy, you can pull out this orange divider, which is just Velcroed in place, and use the full volume of the interior of the bag. Never seen anything quite like this in another bag, and it's really, really nice. So let's finish this main compartment, then we're going to talk about the tech bag. All right, so inside the main compartment, we did the front. Now we'll do the back. You've got an admin panel with a very useful, kind of normal admin pocket, a tablet pocket for a full-size iPad, not the Gigantor iPad. It again goes down to just about that halfway point, a little bit deeper, like that deeper. Tight fit with the keyboard case on, but not so tight that it doesn't work. All right, then in the back, you have a laptop slip-in sleeve. It opens even smaller than the other compartment, but it is padded and has a false bottom. I've got a normally sized 15-inch laptop dropped right in here with no issues, no worry about damage to the laptop. Okay, so that is, oh, and I should say, that's not it. You've got a luggage pass-through strap. You've got a cushion back, super cushion, an attachment point, a pull handle, and a very weird pocket that you could stick some sunglasses in, or you could, one take reviews, drop a cell phone in this pocket. It expands out and you can stick a bit of tech into the pocket. I gotta say, haven't used it even one time. Seems a little unnecessary. Maybe nice to have, but not a need to have. Okay, so we're gonna set the bag aside and talk about the other bag. Again, this slips into this little garage on the bottom of the bag, and you can attach it to the front of the bag if you want to. And inside, it's a really nice tech dop kit. I guess you could use any dop kit sized bag that you wanted to, but the one that comes with this is really nice. So you've got slip in, slide in attachment points for gear. You've got two slip pockets right here, and then plenty of space. I've used it for all of my camera gear. So I toss all of my camera gear into this one bag. It has a pull handle to retrieve it when I need to. Slip it into the garage, zip it up. Bob's your uncle. It's all tight, it's all nice. Boom. All right, so let's talk about the bag. Two things that I really love. Well, you know the first one, the tech garage, the dop kit, that whole situation. It's awesome. I love it. More bags should have built-in solutions for cords that aren't just throw it in a pocket. Some kind of little removable tech organizer should come standard on more bags. It's been incredibly useful. I can take it out when I don't want the extra weight. I can reconfigure the main compartment of the bag to be the full 20 liters of space, or I can divide it in half and use that tech dop kit solution. It's awesome. What's the second thing that I like? The second thing that I like about this bag is the colorway. It feels premium. You've got the black and the olive on the outside. You've got gray materials, nylon on the inside with the pop of orange and two-tone colorway on the interior of the bag. Just overall, the choices they've made aesthetically with this bag, including that it sits flat, including that they slid the tech dop kit into the bottom of the bag so that it isn't top heavy, it doesn't fall over. It always has that weight sitting in the bottom, which helps to keep the bag shaped the way it should be. So those are the things that I really like about this bag. There's one more thing I like about this bag, and I'm going to share it at the very end of this video. The other two things that I wanted to talk about, that I always talk about, are two things that I don't love as much about the bag. Okay, the first thing I don't love as much about this bag is this weird situation back here. I like to grab the shoulder straps when I'm carrying a backpack sometimes, and having this extra pocket here just adds some weirdness to one of the shoulder straps. So I don't know if you like to sling the backpack over one shoulder like I do and just grab and go. This feels a little bulky and gets in the way, and debatable if it's useful at all. The second thing that I don't love as much about this bag is the actual laptop sleeve. So it functions just fine, but it only opens about 3 inches. And I don't understand why they couldn't just make the laptop sleeve zip a little bit further down. I'm nitpicking. Overall, great bag, great construction, great materials. A couple of weird choices as they got to the back section of the bag. All right, so should you buy it? Well, I've got some good news for you. This bag is a couple of years old, but still being sold. You have to find it on some other sites, but still brand new and still being sold. I bought the larger version of this bag. I'm filming this video, you can see the date, but in mid-2022. I bought the larger gray version of this bag just yesterday from Adorama, which is a camera store, and I got it for almost $100 off. So this is well over a $100 bag when originally sold. I got the thing, I want to say it was $30, and I was blown away. I snagged it. I'll put that link in the video description. If it's still working, kudos to you. Snag it yourself. You're going to love it. Good bag. You should buy it, but you don't have to pay the $100. Try and find this bag for less than $40, and it'll be a steal, and you'll love having it in your carry lineup. All right, everybody, if you liked this video, please like the video, drop a comment if there's a bag that you'd love to see me review, and if you're new here, please subscribe. We do these one-take bag reviews all the time, and we try and find some hidden gems that you might not know about, not just the big boys that everybody is reviewing. So thanks a lot. I hope you enjoyed this review, and we'll see you next time. Bye, everyone.